was heading out for an evening hunt, but looks like it's kind of getting ready to storm. The wind's kicking up and dark clouds moving in. Hopefully we'll be able to get in a hunt before any heavy rain comes. Yeah, so I'm over at these sports fields behind the high school, and wow, look at this storm coming. Yeah, watching this approaching storm, and just had my first target. Looks like a nickel. So hopefully I'll find something else on this old ball field. Boy, the sky's black as night. And it shouldn't be night yet. Anyways, of course I found one of these, Mr. Pull Tab. I just had a small find, little earring that says Daisy on it. I found the back to a pin. Find a lot of those. I just had another small find, and found me a 1956D wheat penny. Not in too bad shape. Alright, I'll keep looking. I just found this little heart pendant. Well, found another one of those bandage clips. Hey guys, this is everything I found when I went to the sports fields behind Lathrop High School here in Fairbanks. Didn't find much, found a lot of trash. Did find a lot of coins. Found 11 quarters. 11 quarters, about 10 dimes, 4 nickels, and 54 pennies. Nothing was very old. Found this weird looking, looks like I figured it's like on a latch. Kind of looks like something like that. Found this little peg, I don't know, looks like for like maybe a shelf or something. I did find a wheat penny, so that was probably my best find. It was a 1956. I found a few of those recently. Anyways, it's in pretty good shape. And then I found this little heart pendant. It looks like it used to be like some kind of a mood, one of those mood type of pieces of jewelry. And then I found this piece of jewelry here, this earring. So, at least I found some targets. It's always nice to find something. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Didn't have much time to hunt because there was a big storm approaching, so I got out of there before it hit. So anyways, good luck, happy hunting, see you guys later.